Well, it's 5:10 p.m. here on Salt Spring Island, and so much for the heavy windstorm that we were supposed to get here today. Maybe it wasn't gonna, I don't know, maybe it's not gonna hit the southern Gulf Islands, maybe windy in other parts of the southwest coast. We had a lot of rain today. It's not raining anymore, it's actually brightening up out here. And there's barely the slightest of breeze. So this is what it's looking right here on Salt Spring Island right now. Right over there, actually I even see some blue sky in the distance, so they may be getting hammered over on the mainland, but definitely nothing here on Salt Spring Island. It's actually quite nice out here. It's bright, and like I say, the rain has stopped a while ago. Not sure how many millimeters we got. I last checked at 12:30 and we had 8 millimeters in the gauge, so the rain gauge. It's a pleasant fall day out here now, and everything definitely did get watered down, that's for sure. But you can see the trees aren't moving. So somewhere on the coast might be getting the wind, but it definitely in us here on Salt Spring Island. A lot of times the forecast turns out to be wrong. Or it doesn't pan out the way it should be for us, that's for sure. September 28th today, 2013.